Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is why 99% of people fail with making money online. And this is going to help you actually realize that you can, stop doing these things if you are doing them and avoid them if, you could be doing them in the future. So with that being said, let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and why 99% of people fail with making money online. So I'm going to keep the most important thing in the end of this video. So make sure that you stick until the end to, actually be able to catch all the things that are important in this video. So the very first thing is people are dabblers. There are people that have been trying to make money online for 10 years, like literally 10 years, and they are still not making, a full-time income. And the reason this is because they're all over the place. They've tried Shopify, they've tried Amazon FBA, they've tried affiliate marketing, they've tried, social media marketing agencies, they've tried literally like anything that you can think of, maybe apps, everything. And, I was kind of a bit of that in the beginning when I first started. And that's the reason why they're not making money, is because you really want to focus on one single thing. Like not only one business, but you actually want to focus on one platform. Like I'm only on YouTube, like I do have an Instagram account. If you look up, like you'll find me, but it's like I don't really use it. Like the last time I posted was in 2018 sometime. So, it's been months and months since I ever posted on Instagram because I realized that you only have to choose one platform. So choose one business, one platform, and that will be able to take you to the next level. The next thing is people quit too soon, because it doesn't happen overnight. It's not like when you get a job, you know that you're going to get paid at the end of the month no matter what. Even if you're not a good if you're not working very well, you are going to get paid. But when you're starting a business, it's not like that, because it takes time, because you have to learn it. You have to, be better, like start being better, build an audience. You have a ton of things to learn, even if you choose one platform. Like, for YouTube, for example, the very first video is not going to be good because you're not good in front of the camera. Like, if you watch my first videos, like I was terrible, I was extremely boring. Hopefully I'm not anymore, but at least I'm better than I was. So, that's one thing. You have to learn how to speak in front of the camera, and that takes you a few videos. You have to learn how to make it more interesting. You have to learn how to make the thumbnails a bit better, which I'm trying to do just recently because I was not good at that, before that. There's a ton of things that go into it, and, you have to put the video together as well, which takes some time, and that's just YouTube. But then you have to learn how to make a sales funnel, you have to learn how to create a landing page, and all these things that come into play. And that's why you're not going to make money straight away. But if you don't start, in 10 years, you'll still not make money. And, if you quit too soon, then you won't have time to learn it. So if you're not making money the first month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, it doesn't matter. Even if it takes you a year to get a single sale, then after that year you'll get more and more frequently, like getting sales, and that will help you to scale to the moon. Like some people were really struggling at the beginning, and now they're like absolutely crushing it after a few years. But that's because they didn't quit too soon. A lot of times when you quit, it's just before you're actually starting to make some money. So do not quit, just keep going, figure out what you're doing wrong, and this will get you to the next level. So the next thing is you don't believe that you can do it. And this is, the law of attraction. if you don't believe that you can do it, then you're probably right. But if you do believe that you can do it, then you're probably right as well. So I filmed this video about the law of attraction just before this video, like 5 minutes ago. So you could watch that. I'm not sure if it will be out when I release this video, but within 3 days it will be out. So you could watch that video on the law of attraction, but basically you really have to believe that you can do it, because if you don't, then it's going to be extremely hard. So that's something that is very important, is to actually believe that you can do it. And not only is it very important, it's very underrated as well. So that's something that's very important, that a lot of people, you just go over it because it's a mindset, it's not actually doing something. But it's extremely important that you can believe that you can do it. And I won't go like over it all over again in this video, because I made a video just before this one. So that's something that's important. The next thing is they don't treat it like a real business. A lot of people, and I was guilty of this as well, is when you first start, you think that it's going to be easy, right? So you're going to start filming your first video, and then don't do anything, and put maybe the week after that put out another video, then stop for 2 weeks, put another video out, and just do that. And that's just what I do. That's how I do affiliate marketing. But it goes on for any business. You actually have to be there every single day. And I mentioned that I wasn't making videos in the weekends because I wanted to take some time off, and that's what I do. But I'm there every single day, and today is Saturday because I do not have, I was running late on my videos, and I just want to have a video for you every single day. So that's why I'm filming a video on Saturday, even though I don't usually film on the weekends. So that's one thing that you have to do, is you just work every day, no matter what, treat it like a job. Even if you do have a job, you really want to treat it like a job, and work on it every single day, even if it's part-time or something like that. It's very important that you do that. So the next thing is, people try to find the little ways to make money online fast. I see there's videos all over the place about this, because these are the ways that get a ton of views. That's the videos that get a ton of views, and I make very few videos like that, because it's just not the way that you make money. And even the people that make these videos, sometimes they just say that, like they put out a video saying all these ways, you can absolutely make $5-10 a day. But if you want to make the real money, stop watching these videos and watch the other videos that actually make the money. So that's something that's very important for you to realize, is don't try to find the little ways to make some money fast, because there's a ton of ways where you can make some money today and that's it. But you really want to do it long term, take a bit more time, but at least build something that's going to make you money in the long run. Instead of making $5-10, you're going to be not make money in the beginning, but maybe make 100,000 a month, in a few years' time. So that's very important that you have to realize that, is, you have to stop trying to find the easy ways to make money, because these are, not sustainable in any way. So now let's get into the last part, which is people don't add value. And that's very important, because I see this all the time, especially on Facebook, but you can see them all over the place on Instagram as well. People try to sell you something like, check out this link, it made me, it helped me so much, and that's it. Or even in some YouTube comments, I've seen some spam about that, and people will not click on that because they're not interested in, buying something that from somebody they don't know, that didn't bring any value, that is potentially a scammer, because that's what it sounds like. So don't try to do that. Instead, try to add value, and that's why I'm doing these YouTube videos. And just like I said in some other videos, you don't have to only do it on YouTube. you could do it on Instagram, you could, you know, do blogging. And these are some ways that, you know, you could absolutely bring value. People know you, even if you don't show your face, they still know you. They know your blog. They've seen it over and over again. So that is, you know, very trustworthy. So people, when you just add value and help them out in whatever niche you are, you know, maybe it's fitness or something else, you really help people out. That is how you're actually going to make some money, instead of just, you know, spitting out some, you know, random links out there just with like a sentence saying buy this or this is really a great product. Instead, add some value, you know, take the time, you know, like build trust with your audience, and that is how you're going to make some money. And you know, if you see any successful company out there, that's what they do. Whether it's Google, you know, they add value by, you know, helping you find some websites that you're looking for. Maybe it's Apple, because, you know, they have some of the best iPhone, like phones in the world. And if you're an Android person, that's all right. You know, Android does the same. You know, Samsung and all these brands, like any like successful company or person out there, the way they made some money is by adding some value. So, you know, let that sink in, because that is probably the most important part of actually getting to make money online. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you got a ton of value out of it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.